The string data type is an integral part of many programming languages. Same thing goes with Python. I have been writing C, C++, Java and Kotlin for so long, and trust me, Python has so much flexibility at everything that it can outperform many other programming languages with a lot of ease. In Python, string is a set of characters wrapped inside quotes. There are 3 ways with which we can create or declare strings. So let's go to the PyCharm and see how we can create or declare strings. Let's check if the value of good morning is inside text1 variable. Yes, we have done it. Let's check for single quotes. I am assigning text2 to good night in single quotes. Let's check if text2 holds the value inside it. Yes, we have done it. So we can create strings using single or double quotes. And we don't even have to mention data types like other languages. And that's what we call the beauty of Python. But the real question is, why do we have more than one ways to create or declare strings? Well, consider that we want to make a string with an apostrophe or double quotes. In this program, I have wrapped the string with an apostrophe inside single quotes. And Python throws an invalid syntax error. Because Python treats the second quote as the end of the string. If we want this make to work, then we have 2 options. The first option is escape character, that is \. By using escape character, we are telling Python that it should ignore the next character. Let's test out the program. Nice, we have done it. The second option is to use double quotes. Let's test it out. And as expected, it works. Similarly, if you want to use double quotes inside string, then you can just wrap the string inside single quotes. What if we want to create a clumsy or complex string using single quotes, double quotes and new lines? For that, we have to wrap the string inside 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. This is an example string wrapped inside 3 quotes. Python interpreter will treat everything inside 3 quotes as normal string. Charming Python, isn't it? You have just learned the tip of iceberg. A lot of fascinating lessons are on their way. So for all of that and more, stick together.